part of the sustainability plan, we are working on redesigning ourselves to make sure we're more efficient, both operationally, economically, and environmentally.
8,000 metric tons of greenhouse gas. There would have to be 130,000 trees planted in order to make that kind of a difference. And so on behalf of the great state of New Jersey, it is my privilege to be able to present this bipartisan resolution thanking you for all you do for the community.
This is my second time in recent months at National Energy Partners in our district as we transition another facility to clean and renewable energies. As we look for the two really main purposes, it's the environment and it's also the economic part of it.
We're taking care of the island, we're taking care of the country, and we're taking care of the world. This is the highest honor that Congressman Van Drew can present to you himself through the House of Representatives. It shows that he really appreciates all that you guys are doing here to protect and enhance the quality of not just the Jewish Community Center, but the world.